The whole faculty at Chandigarh University is very welcoming. I think such conclaves are very important for students to understand that they are getting a direct interaction even before they are getting into the industry, to understand what hospitality is. One tip which I would love to give to the young chefs is always focus on your basics first. Learn your technicals, learn your basics to the core, because once you're confident with basics, you can really do wonders in this profession.